No.
What is it?
Needlefish. Yeah, that's a needlefish.
That's something.
He's stinky.
Well, you shouldn't have eaten it. Ooh.
Yeah, he's stinky.
If they're out here, the other fish got to be out here. Ah.
Oh, it works. Yeah.
Nice needlefish. Get out of here. Go the other.
So that's when you want to let go where your rod tips off and then you let go.
The big one?
There's one.
Trout. Trout skis. Oh, little red. No, that's a big trout. Oh, no, Pixie. No. There's hooks on that one.
You got it, Mike?
Yeah, no, Pixie.
The weight thing.
That's two.
I wanted to see what it would do, man. It fucking hit that shit.
Yeah, look at him. How he's hooked.
Yeah, he fucking hit hard. I just felt it go.
Too bad he's too big. No, he's not.
He should be right on there.
Here we go. Ah!
How big is he? Should be big enough, you know?
20?
20, yeah, I was about to say 21.
Move,
He's
Pixie.
over 17 and you ain't over.
Ah, no, don't do it. Excuse me, let me grab this.
Necessary.
Too bad we don't have beer, man. I'd have to be drinking one right now.
19 and a half. Okay, let me put it in there. Awesome.
That one.
Got it, red. Oh, another trout. Nice trout. Oopsie daisy.
What is it, like 15?
Yeah, he's gonna be small.
Beautiful eyes.
Yeah, 15 and a half. Get out of here.
Big custard.
Big.
Oh, you got something?
Yeah, something small though.
No, hang on to it. Hold it.
Let me get out of my way.
It was just coming with you.
Hold on. Yeah, it's a flounder. Keep it tight. Ah, don't lift him.
Flounder.
Yeah.
The doormat.
All right.
We're working the bottom row.
Pixie, stop it.
Yeah, he's swollen.
That's a good one.
That's the one we gotta be careful with. Pixie, move.
That's like what, 16?
No.
He should be a keeper, that one.
Yeah, he's a keeper. He's a keeper. He was pretty.
Good job, my love. Mira.
And this is a great content.
See that's why they need to make a rod called No Supposed Wow.
No, but
Hey, let go.
There's actually a guy that has a channel that's called what? No way.
There we go.
Like when he sees all those videos of like.
Hang on, let's just double check. I'm pretty sure he is. 17 and a half. All right. Good job. 17.
Good one. That's gonna be some good players, huh?
Ah. You got him?
I don't know. I think so. Oh, I think he let go.
Oh, he let go. You.
Maybe he tugged on me and then tugged on you, because I
It's
felt
a family. There are kids watching this show.
Oh.
I don't know. Pixie, I'm just getting the other rod. What's wrong with you, girl?
That's the one. I have that one on the other on the follow rod.
On the polo rod?
I have that one on there.
I gotta test it, give it a try today. Old Faithful.
Oh, dude, I don't know if something hit me or not.
Board, because Daddy's not catching any fish right now.
Neither is Theo.
But it's already known that I'm not that great of a fisherman. You're the one that's letting us down, Mike.
Are you sure about that? We got 2 fish on the boat, plus 2 undersized.
But you didn't catch it.
I caught one.
The good thing is we brought some professional fishermen here.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you don't got him.
That's definitely red.
That's what happened.
That's a red.
Yeah, that's what
That's a
happened.
red. Catch, look.
Hey, you're gonna cry because it's not on your lure.
I know, right? But I own the lure.
David, you want to grab the net over here? He's coming around. I'm gonna
See, that's why I didn't want to cast.
move, Pixie. Hold on. There you go.
Don't go to the bag. Don't go to the bag.
Oh crap!
Oh.
There it is.
It's a small one. It's a dinker.
Get him. He might be 20. What's wrong with you?
Take him.
I just need the fish, not the whole thing. Hold on.
Look what you did.
Look what you did. Ow! Pixie, stop it. There's a hook in there.
I guess it's time to pull out the green tongue.
When in doubt, Old Faithful out.
The whole fish.
19.
So that's a no? It's a pretty color.
19 3/4. Too small of a fish. Get out of here.
You need help?
Yeah, David.
Oh, dang. I'm glad you picked up that rod instead.
Otro.
Yeah?
Mike, you're supposed to let the customers catch it.
Hey, the idea is they're taking fish home.
Another small one.
Yeah.
Damn, they bend your shit real bad. Crazy. Where is it?
He doesn't even want to come up. All right, I got it.
Same.
Ow!
It's the same one.
I just threw you back. Come on, man.
There's a hole on them already.
Pretty
Why are you
spot.
rehooking reds, way?
Why am I? It's the gimmick, so people believe I'm catching a different fish.
19 3/4.
19. Get out of here. Ah, that was a hit, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, he let go. No, you got him. Oh! Hang on to him. He's right there. So don't roll all the way up.
Woo! Honey!
Sing it to me. Well,
I felt it. Like, oh.
it's a little guy. Don't worry. He's gonna have to go open the bail so I can get more line.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Alrighty.
He's too small.
Yeah, he's too small. The good thing is they're
here somewhere.
yeah.
So which one do you think that is, Mike? 19 or 19 3/4?
18. Get out of here.
Oh, missed that bite.
Don't you lie. You didn't get a bite.
Oh, this definitely was a little.
Not like
That was quick.
not like that. Yeah.
Oh, he's way over there. He's a little guy. Is it? Yeah.
He's very feisty though.
Yeah.
It's the same one. I got him. Don't worry.
Well, wouldn't you be too if you just got an unexpected piercing?
See.
Right. It's the same one.
What the heck? Get out of here. He actually caught one, guys. He actually caught one.
Why?
And why? he wasn't supposed to catch one.
Over here.
Catfish.
Oh,
It's a red. It's a small red. It's okay, guys. Don't worry about it. It's small.
Yeah, I can go back to what you're doing.
You can lift it out of the water. That's right.
There we go. Finally, the pink. Yeah. And there's more if y'all want to try throwing on pink. I don't mind sharing.
Where are they?
In the mobile one bag.
the black one. There.
You don't want to touch your fish?
No, throw 'em back.